Hi everyone, so I am in a collaboration hosted by my girl Wanda, A Day in My World, and Kelly at Kelly Santi Designs. And for this week, for today, we were to make an ornament. So I have shown you guys this one plenty of times, but I just love this one so much. I had bought these clay ornaments from Dollar Tree, and the the elf was my least favorite. So I decided to make him into like a beaded, chunky little ornament, and now I just love him. So I took something that I thought wasn't cute and made it super cute. So I'm really excited for that. So there's that one that I've shown you guys before. But what I made today was this little icicle right here. And I ended up making my own little like wire hanger for it, which was kind of fun. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I like twisted it, and it takes quite a bit of time to go ahead and twist it all together. So I did this one, and then after I did this one, I was thinking I should have put these little rhinestone spacers. It would have made it so much cuter. So this is actually my ornament for this collaboration right here. But I want to make one with you guys and make it prettier because this is cute. I like it, but I know I can do better. So we're going to do that with you guys on camera. So I have these beads. I bought these beads at Hobby Lobby. They are from, is it Bead Design Company? I believe it's called. And then I just have my wire right here. I believe this is 16 gauge wire. I'm pretty sure it's 16. It might be 18. I don't know. It's a thicker wire. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. So I have this one, and these are my beads, and these come in different sizes. And then right here I have my little spacer rhinestone. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to roll the top of this so that way our beads will not fall off. And this one I'm going to do, like I said, different than the other one. The other one I started on the lower end to wrap it, and this one we are going to do a little bit thicker. So I'm just going to roll this just a little bit so that way my beads won't fall off. So we just rolled that. So I'm going to take my largest bead, put that on. Then I'm going to take my spacer right here. These are just rhinestone rondelle spacers. I'm going to slide that on. Then I'm going to go to my next size, which is this one right there. Then we're going to put our next size down. Let's see how that fits. That looks good. And then my next size is this one. So we're going to add that on. This one might be a little too small, I think. Let's see. Yeah, that's a little too small. So I'm going to go back to this size right here. Put that one on. Okay, that looks good. Then go to my next size down, which is this one. Then we'll add this one. Perfect. Then my absolute smallest bead right here with my smallest spacer. Oh yeah, I just dropped them. My smallest spacer there. Slide that on. Oh my gosh, yes, that is it. That is so much better. I think I'm going to actually undo the other one because I love how this looks so much more. So there is our little icicle. Now we're going to do the same thing. We are going to hold our wire. Now I'm not going to do as big as a loop as I did up here at the top. I needed that big one at the top because I wanted to make sure I can feed my ribbon through. So that's why I did a big one on top. So down here we are going to go not as high up, but it's, you know, not at the smallest point right there. And we are going to just go ahead and roll it like we did the top there. so that way our beads don't fall off. So there is our little icicle. I love this so much better with those little rhinestone spacers in between. That came out so cute. And then now I can feed my ribbon through here. Probably should have left a longer piece of ribbon for this, because once I tie it, it's not going to give a whole lot of room to go ahead and attach to the tree. You know what, I'm going to do another piece. Let me get some more. I don't think this is, well, I could just tie it this way. Or just tie it in a knot. And I'm not going to like this. I already know myself. I'm going to need the larger string for this. But you guys get the idea. So just needed a larger piece of ribbon for this. Then it would have looked really cute to go ahead and hang up on the tree. So there is our little icicle. You could do this with anything you have. You don't have to go out and get these clear beads from Hobby Lobby. If you have pearls in different size, I think that would be gorgeous too. I might try that next because I do have a bunch of white pearls from Hobby Lobby that I had bought from the same company. So I think I'm going to do that next, is try it in some pearls, because I think that would be gorgeous. But yes, here is my little ornaments for this collaboration right here, are my little icicles, and then I do have my little beaded gnome right here. So take something you thought that wasn't cute and make it cute. And then this one right here, you start off with an idea and you know you can do better, and then you just go ahead and rework it again to make it look better. So here are my little ornaments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will link all the other wonderful ladies down below in the description box, so you could go check out their channels and see what they have made for this week. So I'm really excited to see what everybody else has put together as far as ornaments. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.